Welcome to my channel, Red Chakra. If you like this video, be sure to like, share, subscribe, show support to the channel, grow spiritually, connect with your higher self every single day. I'm out in the sun like usual. Whenever I get out in the sun, whenever I get a chance to get out in the sun, I'm gonna get out in the sun. You know what I'm saying? What that say? Don't hate, meditate. You feel me? I had horse chain on as usual, bro. I'm just vibing out here. So what I want to talk about in this video, bro, is I just saved a bee's life. So what happened was I was hooping, I'm outside, getting a little exercise going. I take care of myself. I take care of my mind, my body, and my soul. So I was outside, or I'm not gonna say was, but I was hooping, and I saw a bee come by. It was a Carpenter bee, So the bee came by, and there's little circles inside of the hoop where you could adjust the height of it, of the rim, So it's like there's holes in the hoop. So the bee went by the hoop, and the bee basically got stuck, or it didn't go by it did go by the hoop, and it went inside the hole, and it got stuck. So a good person with a good heart like me, I didn't just sit there and just continue to hoop, but I took immediate action. I dropped the ball. I let the hoop down because it's stuff on that hoop that hold it up. Like there's like rocks and stuff that I had to put on it so it could hold up. Because if wind come by and it blow the hoop down, it might break it and stuff like that. So I had to put like rocks on it to hold it up so it could withstand weather, and it also could withstand like me hooping on it, like laying up or hitting the ball on the rim or hitting it on a backboard and stuff like that. So what I did was I got these. I went and moved the big rocks. Like it's like a big rock. It's like 4 smaller rock things, whatever. I moved all of them. One of them is real heavy, bro. I felt it, bro. Usually with that big rock, I don't like picking it up because it's like heavy. But now, bro, when I picked up that rock, bro, bro, it didn't even feel heavy. It usually do feel heavy, but now it didn't even feel heavy. I picked that thing up like it was a goddamn cup. That's why you gotta have a strong mind and a strong heart, because then you can do anything. Because when you want to save a life, bro, you're gonna experience supernatural abilities or abilities that you didn't even know you had. Because when I went to pick up that big ass rock, I'll probably show you a picture of it, but when I went to go pick up that big ass rock, bro, I didn't even feel weak at all. I went and picked that thing up like it was no tomorrow. When certain things happen in your life, like you about to save somebody's life, or you got to save your own life or something like that, you're gonna be able to tap into supernatural abilities. Life is just like anime, bro. That nigga Goku about to die, he get a new form, he just upgrade, you feel me? So life is just like anime, bro. So I picked up the rock and other rocks. I let the hoop down, and the bee was stuck. So I quickly got a little twig. I got 2 of them because I was thinking I should pull the bee out. But I was trying to, but it wasn't really working. And it looked like the bee was reacting to a point where if I continue to do it, I'm going to end up killing it. So I was thinking, nah, I can't do this. Can't pull it out. Plus his head was inside. So I probably was going to end up ripping off his head. So then I decided, okay, I'm going to just push the bee inward. Push it inward. So, I was trying a little bit, just thinking, what should I do? Is there any other tools, So eventually I decided I'm going to push this bee in, and it's going to fly out because there's openings, or there's another opening inside the hoop where the bee can actually get out. So I decided to push the bee in, and eventually I saved the bee. I pushed it all the way in, and it came out. Like it was inside for a while, or for 10 seconds. I thought the bee was just gonna come straight out, but the bee was in there for a little bit. So I went to the side, or not. The side, and I looked, and the bee was still in there, and I was just wait till it come out, or she. I'm not sure what gender the bee was. I couldn't really see, but it was a carpenter bee. But the bee got out eventually. And the bee went around me a little bit, and it just went away. Like it buzzed around me, like 2 seconds and just then left and went and minded his own business. I'm saying his because I'm a boy, so I automatically think certain insects and certain beings are men or boys, but it could have been a boy or girl, but I just say he. But the bee left, and I just felt happy, bro. Like, I just saved the bee's life. The bee could have died up in there. It could have. Oh wait. Before I say that, luckily the bee wasn't like injured because it was able to fly still, and it was just regular. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad the bee didn't hurt itself or hurt himself. It looked like the bee was 100%, and I'm glad that I was able to save a bee. I be out here in nature. What you mean? I don't be in parties. I'm saving insects. What you talking about? I'm connected to the divine. I'm connected to the earth. I'm connected to the sun. I'm connected to the universe. I'm connected to everything. I'm a god out here. What you mean? I just saved the whole bee's life. That bee was stuck and I just saved it. I pushed him out. It's like, bro, this is just my life. This is a great experience. I'm going to write about it in my diary. You know, because I got a diary where I just write down my thoughts, write down events, certain stuff, you know. I'm going to write it down, of course. Bro, this is the life that I like to live. And it's the life that I choose to live. I just saved the bee's life. The bee wasn't hurt, nothing. The bee buzzed around me. And the bee didn't even sting me. You know, because it's like we get this little, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's like our mindset is that the bee is gonna sting us immediately. And bees is not even like that, bro. You're not supposed to be just hitting bees and stuff. When bees come near me, bro, I be standing perfectly still. They be coming around me so much. I be thinking like, is they gonna sting me? And I'm not even supposed to have that type of thought. But you know, we was taught that way. Bees are peaceful. They're not trying to They're not trying to hurt nobody. They're just trying to take care of their family, take care of their peoples, and take care of us as well. Cause bees do certain things that help us as well. They just workers. They just out here doing their job. Bees be chilling. We're not supposed to be scared of bees. We're not supposed to be swatting at bees. Now, bro, when bees come near me, I just be standing perfectly still. Just I'm not scared of bees no more. I used to be because programming. But now, when bees come near me, I just stand still, just look at them, and they just come around me, and they just go on about their day. They just go about their business. Ain't nothing out here to be scared of, bro. Just vibing out in nature. The government is the ones that gave us this fear of certain things. The government is the ones that made us scared of certain things because they cannot connect with it. Like how they be telling us the sun is gonna make you blind, all this BS. It's because they're not able to connect with it. We black people can connect with the sun, nature, all that. They just tell us certain stuff so we can fear certain things and we don't connect with certain things. It's all a setup, bro. We're not supposed to be scared of bees. Bees be minding their own business, vibing, chilling, building. They be doing whatever they want to do. I don't want to break. I don't want to knock down beehives or nothing. I just want to just let them do what they do, and I do what I do. Because they got business they got to attend to, and I got business I got to attend to. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, bro, I ain't trying to be scared of nothing. I ain't trying to scare anything. Just trying to vibe out here and live my own life. My life may be different than yours. If you party, you do all that stuff, bro, live your life. If you drink alcohol, you smoke, you get lit, get turned up, bro, that's your life, man. I ain't even trying to judge nobody. If you live your life sleep, you live your life sleep. I could try to help you, but if you don't want the help, you don't need to take it. Just do what you want to do, and I'm gonna do what I want to do. Saving lives out here. Come on now. I just saved the bee's life. The bee buzzed around, but that bee could have stung me. You know what I'm talking about? Because bees, yes, they do sting. That bee could have stung my ass afterwards. The bee could have seen me as a threat. Who knows? But the bee didn't do any of that. The bee did not harm me. The bee looked at me and kept it pushing. Like the bee was around me, buzzing around me, just kept it pushing. You feel me? Just vibing, you know. Bee going back to do their thing, you know. Whatever the bee was doing, whatever the bee gotta do. They went back. Now they doing their thing. Probably went back to the family, the beehive, whatever the bee doing. I'm just glad that I was able to save the bee's life. And I'm glad I was out here in nature at the right place at the right time. Because I could have been in the house playing the game. I could have been getting turned up with my homies, my homeboys. It could have been anything, bruh. But I'm glad I was at the right place at the right time. Just get out in nature, bro. You'd be amazed at what can happen. You'll be amazed at what you could experience. I'm just glad I got to do that. It just make me feel good. See, all I gotta do is save a bee's life to feel great. I'm not the same as other people. I'm not like anybody else. I'm me. I'm just myself out here, just vibing, eating healthy, in the sun, expressing my ancestors. You know what I'm saying? Just doing my own thing, living my own life. That's my nigga in the sky. I just want to talk about that. Not really much, not really too much, just get on here and just chat, a little story time. Get out in nature, bro. Just vibe out here, get in the sun, get in nature, walk barefoot like myself. I'm barefoot right now. Just live your life, bro. I just want to get on here and chat. I feel great doing that for a little bee. Nice little bee. Didn't even sting me after, so I knew the bee was appreciated what I did. I knew the bee was happy. I knew the bee was thankful. The bee could have died, and a lot of other bees probably needed that bee. You never know what's going on. Just be a good person, because you don't know what anybody got going on. That bee was probably really important. And if I was a demon, I would have just said fuck it, or killed it. Just live your life, bro. Be good out here, vibe out here, be positive out here, keep a good mindset, heal yourself, get out in the sun, get out in nature, vibe, bro. Become a better version of yourself and just become great, because you are a god and goddess. So carry yourself like one. But if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, show support to the channel. Thanks for watching.